Good morning. Let us see the salient features of Advocates Act 1961. This act, an act to amend and consolidate law relating to legal practitioners and to provide for the constitution of Bar Council and All India Bar. See, one thing, prior to this act, the practice of enrollment was that the senior advocates allow his counsels to accompany them, and after training they will uh, present his junior to argue before any high court judge, and if that his argument is accepted, he will become an advocate on enrollment. High court of every high court of judicatures used to have advocates list, and there are different kinds of uh, titles advocates, attorneys, vakil, barrister, solicitor general. So many categories were there. Okay, before that, section 1 is regarding extension of law, section 2 deals with the definitions. Then I will take you to other provisions, wherein the act repeals certain provisions of the other acts which was existing. That was one of the act was Legal Practitioner Act. Legal Practitioner Act has been repealed, but however, except section 4, Legal Practitioner Act, other provisions were repealed. So what was the provisions of section 4 of the Legal Practitioner Act was, if any persons loitering or indulging in brokerage within the vicinity of the court premises, the Bar Council, Bar Association may pass a resolution and forward to CMM or CJM, and CJM on inquiry declare him set out. This is what provisions of section 4 Legal Practitioner, which was existing prior to Advocates Act. So state bar councils are there. I would like to take you disciplinary committee of Bar Council of India. Bar Council will have their own disciplinary power to take actions. Then changes in constitution of disciplinary committees. They can change the committee from one committee to other. That means just like a transfer, intra-transfer. Disposal of disciplinary proceedings, then appeal to Bar Council of India. Bar Council, it may appeal to against the State Bar Council, you can appeal to Bar Council of India, then appeal to Supreme Court from Bar Council of India. So there will be alteration of role of advocates. What all are the power of disciplinary committee is section 42. Then they say there is punishment for the illegally practice in courts and before other authorities without having enrolled before this honorable court. So this act is that much of importance. I would like to stop this because I'm not well. Okay, this much of Advocates Act, whether the advocate Bar Council of State have got power to suspend pending disposal of inquiry is one of the major questions to be decided by the Supreme Court. But as per today, the position is that they can pass an order. But some of the high courts held that no, they cannot pass order unless and until they initiate disciplinary proceedings. So even without initiating disciplinary proceedings, some of the bar councils used to suspend the practice of the advocate, and that has been now properly guided by the orders of the Honorable High Court. Some issues are yet to be settled by the Supreme Court. And the Law Commission of India is also, as well as in consultation with the Bar Council of India, likely to bring amendment to Advocates Act to give protection for Advocates Act. Just